Alright, we're back with another coin roll hunting video. We're going to do some quarters this time. A bag of $500. Those are the dimes from the last video we did. So that's our start of the silver collection for the year. Haven't found a silver quarter in rolls yet. Hopefully we can start today by doing that. We'll also be looking for varieties and error coins. And we'll probably search like 10 rolls. I'm going to lay them all out up here, standing up, so I get them out of this bag. Search 10 rolls, and we'll bring you back in and show you what we find. Unless we find a silver, then we'll bring you back in and show you the silver. We are on our 7th roll. I don't know if that's a painted edge or a silver quarter, but we're going to find out here. We're hoping for silver. Look at that, our very first silver ever in a quarter roll. And that's because we don't hunt very many quarter rolls. But with it being hard to get $half, got to start hunting some other coins. So we got a 1964, and it looks like a Denver minted quarter. So we have that, and then the other find we have right now is we have this Arizona quarter. Let's see. Zoomed in too much here, but you can see the initials right there below the cactus. I'll show you another one here. So you can see this one's not touching the initials. That one's actually on the initials. So this is an error coin. So it goes back up there. Our very first ever silver is going to go right up there. I should put them together here. And this one will go back in the bag. But we'll continue on, and hopefully we can find one more. We're through 30 rolls. We bring it back in. No more silver yet. We're bringing it back in because we found a proof quarter. So there's the S, 2001 Kentucky. And then you can see that one there says, "In God We Rust." You can kind of see the T, but it's disappearing pretty good. And that's another example of the same Kansas quarter. You see the T is struck really well. So we're going to keep this one as an error. And then this looks like it was a parking lot quarter. We're not going to keep it, but I definitely cannot tell other than the edge that that's a quarter or what it was. Anyway, we'll get in these next 20 rolls. If we find silver, we'll bring it back in. If not, we'll bring it back in and show you what else we found. Well, we're on roll 41. And I already know it's a W. I already know it's a Lowell because it was this side up. So we had 2019 West Point minted Lowell. That's pretty cool. We don't have very many W quarters. So we'll add that there. We'll get through some more here. Hopefully have another find to bring it back in. If not, we'll come back and give you a wrap up. Okay, in the last 10 rolls, we found this really nice example of a Delaware minted spitting horse. Or, sorry, a Delaware quarter spitting horse. It hits the top of the A, goes to the C, and hits the rim of the quarter there. Here's an example of where there is no error. So that's a pretty nice find. That's the best example we have of that in our collection. We have a 2019 Lowell West Point quarter. And then here we have a 2005 Kansas quarter. In God We Rust. You can still kind of see the T at certain points, but it's very not as light as I like it, but we're probably going to keep that one. It's a decent example. And we have this 2001 Kentucky S minted proof quarter. And right here we have that Arizona quarter right there on the initials. You can see there's extra metal there touching the initials, so that's a nice error quarter. And then the find of the box is going to be our 1964 Denver minted silver quarter. We'd like to thank you for watching. Thumbs up's always appreciated. If you haven't subscribed, we'd appreciate your subscription. And if you leave a comment, we'll answer you within a day or two.